I'm Paul Clarke from Automotive Comms and Green Car Guide, and I believe the UK has the ability to be bigger and bolder in its move to decarbonise transport. Having run Green Car Guide for 15 years, I've seen lots of people who've said electric cars would never take off. The good news is motorists seem to quite like driving electric cars. The challenge is there's lots more to do in a short period of time. By being bigger and bolder, there are massive opportunities for UK automotive and the wider economy. We can put an end to messing with the planet and its climate, and we can put a stop to children having to walk to school every day, breathing in emissions from petrol and diesel vehicles.
Britain led the world through the first industrial revolution, powered by steam, and has been a key global player in the second transport revolution, powered by the internal combustion engine. As we embark upon this new transport revolution towards a green net zero transport structure, we need the same level of innovation around electric motors that we've previously enjoyed with internal combustion engines and steam power. Every vehicle, from the smallest PLV to the largest freight and construction vehicles, will require electric motors. And there is a huge opportunity for UK PLC in this space to develop the same level of engineering skills and, critically, manufacturing footprint for electric motors that we've previously enjoyed for internal combustion engines. That is a real opportunity for this country to develop and maintain its position as a global leader.
It's well known that the UK has a rich automotive, engineering and motorsport heritage, and world-leading universities and research capabilities. What's less well known, but no less vital for our journey to zero-emission transport, is that the people of Britain are absolutely behind tackling this journey boldly and aggressively. Last year's Climate Assembly and other studies since then have consistently shown this appetite for rapid change exists across all sections of our society. So we have an opportunity to fully reset our whole approach to transport, and that must start with demand reduction and management. I just hope the government and business community can match the ambition and commitment of the people they serve.
About cutting emissions, one of the key challenges is the resistance to change, a human attitude embedded in individuals, industries and society. A major opportunity is turning them around by looking at the whole system benefits because of decarbonisation. An element to exploit more is the understanding of net zero as a driver to develop technologies and knowledge-intensive jobs that bring wealth and prosperity to the country, yet protecting the environment and our health.
As the government moves to an ambitious plan for a reduction in GHG emissions, we've got a real opportunity to make a step change in lightweighting and reduction of mass for passengers and for freight. We can massively improve payload efficiency and start to really affect our whole life carbon by making a shift away from heavy goods vehicles and passenger cars through to powered lightweight vehicles. I think there's huge R&D opportunity here, but also to put a downward pressure on battery supply, battery capacity, charging infrastructure, and on the whole life carbon of infrastructure development.
As one of the world's richest and most developed countries with an already existing strong infrastructure network in place, I think the UK is very well positioned to decarbonise transport at home domestically as soon as possible through moving as much freight transportation onto the railways and helping people transition to electric vehicles through government support, but also through private businesses stepping up to make that decision easier for consumers and drivers.